Hello everyone, this is Janmark. In this video, I am going to discuss the balance assignment method or problem using Excel Solver. So let's begin. Well, this is a cost matrix which we have 4 jobs. The job 1, job 2, job 3, and job 4. And we also have 4 workers, the worker 1, worker 2, worker 3, and worker 4. So this is a balance assignment problem. As we can observe, we have 4 rows and 4 columns, or a 4x4 matrix, which is a balance problem. The cost element signifies assigning the worker to a job. For example, job 1 cost $16 for worker 1, while job 2 cost $23 for worker 2, and so on and so forth. Now we have to determine the cost of assignment using Excel. But before we have to formulate the problem, the first thing to do is to copy the table matrix and put it below, then delete the cost element. There is one important assumption in assignment model, that each worker is to be assigned to exactly one job, and each job is to be performed by exactly one worker. Based on this assumption, I'm going to input constraints equation. Before that, we are going to understand the meaning of this assumption. For example, job 1 is assigned to worker 1. As for the assumption, each worker must be assigned to one job. As we already assigned job 1 to worker 1, that means worker 1 cannot be assigned to job 2, job 3, and job 4. So these values will become 0. Worker 2, 3, and 4 will also become 0. Now, we're going to delete the assumption. The next is to input row sum first, is equals to sum, then we'll be selecting this entire range of cell. Then enter. I'll be calculating for column sum, is equals to sum, then selecting the column range cells, enter, then I'm going to drag this fill handle to the right. Now this assignment models is a special type of transportation model, where our workers are the sources and the job are the destination. As for the assumption, our each row sum should be equal to supply, and each column sum should be equal to demand, and its value should be equal to 1. So I will input here supply. Each value should be equal to 1, 1, 1, and 1. Alright, we'll be writing equal to, equal to, equal to, and equal to. So next, I will write to the column sum, the demand, and will value it will be equal to 1, 1, 1. And I will input equal to, equal to, equal to, and equal to. Now we're going to write the objective function. So the objective is to minimize the cost of assignment. So objective function zmin is equals to sum product, then I will be selecting this entire range, then comma, then I will be selecting this entire range, then enter. So I will highlight this. The formulation part is over. Now we'll determine the results using Excel Solver. Click on the Data tab. Under the Analyze column, click the Solver parameters. Under the Set Objective, we select the objective cell. Our objective is to minimize the cost of assignment. So we'll select the mean. So we'll be selecting this entire range of cells under the decision variables. Subject to the constraints, we click on Add, then select the row sum range of cells. We'll click on Drop Down List and select Equal to, and we'll select the supply range cells. Again, we'll click on Add, Cell Reference, we'll select on the column sum, range of cells, click on the drop down list, then we'll select equal to and select the demand constraints, range of cells. Again, we click on Add, as we know that decision variables are also known as a binary variables, so we select this range of cells. Then click drop down list and select bin. that is the binary. Once all the constraints are added, we will click on OK. We'll tick the checkbox, make unconstrained variables non-negative. We'll select solving method as simplex LP and click on solve. As we can see, the solver results appear and it states that the solver found solution. All constraints and optimality condition are satisfied. We'll click on OK. This $58 is the cost of assignments. These are the optimal job assignments. So worker 1 is assigned to job 3, worker 2 is assigned to job 1, worker 3 is assigned to job 2, and worker 4 is assigned to job 4. So these are the optimal job assignments. Thank you for watching.